Hi guys, Fred Zint here, Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to show you a nice pre-owned 2016 Keystone Cougar. It's a 283 RETWE model. Come on inside. This model is a nice short unit that you can get in just about anywhere. When you come in here into your living area, you got two opposing slide outs. On this side here, you got your two recliners. Then you have your entertainment center, your TV, cabinetry work, and then you got more cabinetry on both sides of your little electric fireplace. Then you have your entertainment centers, got your DVD player, Bluetooth. Over here in this slide out, you have your sofa, and then your U-shaped dinette. This also will fold down and turn into a bed. Got storage underneath both sides. In the galley, nice deep cupboard, plenty of storage there. On the back side here, you also have two nice deep fully extending drawers for big pots and pans, etc. Got a double sink, stainless steel. Over here in the kitchen, then you got the other side of the storage. Storage above the microwave. Little stainless steel microwave, hood combo. 3-burner cooktop. Oven for pizzas. And then you got right here for a wastebasket. Two-door fridge freezer combo. And then you have more storage above the refrigerator. This is your power pad, all your tank controls, how you put out your slides, your awning, turn your water, hot water heater on. Come on into the bedroom. Got a corner shower with glass shower enclosure. And then you got your medicine cabinet above the sink. And then place for your linens underneath. When you come into the bedroom, you have a small little slide out here. So wardrobe slide. So you can hit, it's got a rung in there so you can hang shirts up. Walk around, double bed. And then on this side here, more wardrobes. And then storage above. And then on the other side, you got two full extending drawers with a nightstand. Come on outside. Got your power awning, dual speakers, outside speakers. Another nice magnetic door holder, full pass-through storage there. Come on around the back. Got your spare tire. This pulls out if you need to carry coolers, etc. Full walk-on roof. Right here is your 4-point auto leveling system, your black and your gray release. Your outside shower. Comes with two 7.5-gallon propane tanks. One's on the other side. Guys, if you'd like more information on this 2016 Cougar 28 RETWE, give me a call. My name's Fred Zint, 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.